Attention lonely people. If you are looking for someone special, then watch this video last. Looking for someone special, but find dating apps too superficial. Dating apps can feel so impersonal. Continuous swiping makes it tough to get to know people. Sometimes it feels like you'll never met anyone. Here is the solution. It's totally different. Inside it, there is thousands of men and women looking for exciting fun like you, so you can easily find your ideal match. You will be safe, 100% discreet and anonymous. Sign up for free now. Link in video description. Finding your match is easy because you will discover a proven formula that works, made by our expert. It's now free, but hurry. There are only few times left, so sign up now to avoid disappointment. Link on video description. Hey, act now. Why are you waiting for? Look what our people say about us. Want to find your match now? So sign up now for free. Link on video description.